pé èmi Olúwatóyìn Abọ́sẹ̀dé Mary Dada ọmọ Abraham ti ever sọ fáwọn rí pé kàn bú èèyàn kan fún mi. Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́. Mi ò ever sọ fáwọn fans mi rí pé kàn bú èèyàn kan fún mi o. And I've never spoken to any speaker to speak for me or to abuse somebody or kàn bú family èèyàn kan or kàn bú èèyàn kan. Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kí mi rí rẹ̀ láyé mi. I have never done it and I will not do it. Níwájú Ọlọ́run Baba, Ọmọ àti Ẹ̀mí Mímọ́. I am not doing this as Toyin Abraham the actress. I am doing this as Ìyá Tèmítọ́pẹ́, Ìyá Ire Olúwa. I am doing this because I am protecting my children.
Èèyàn wa Toyin Abraham ó ti sunkún síta lórí bí wọ́n ṣe ń bá a fà lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì, bí wọ́n ṣe ń búlì rẹ̀ lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí? Kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Toyin Abraham báyìí? Ẹ gbìyànjú láti wo fọ́nrán yìí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé ìparí, torí ìparí rẹ̀ ni ó ti sọ nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan. Ẹ gbádùn rẹ̀.
And after this, I have said this with my mouth. I am an actress. Nǹkan tó bá wù anybody kan sọ. But I am saying this again and again. You can mo lè bẹ anybody sọ̀rọ̀. I can talk to anybody. I can be anybody's friend. But there is nobody to abuse anybody. Tí mo bá dákẹ́ kò ṣe pé mo jẹ̀bi. But when you get to a level in your life, ẹ̀gbin máa bẹ, kò sí tẹ́gbin bá bẹ, wàá gbà, wàá mú kúrò lára. Kò ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀gbin tó bá ta báyàn lèèyàn ń sọ̀rọ̀ àbí lèèyàn abusing me, abusing my family, abusing my fans, abusing my husband, my children, my family. Please and please, for God's sake, stop it, please. I am saying this because I work with a lot of international organizations. I work with them. And I don't want to react. Because gbogbo Yoruba kan náà là ń sọ. Àìmọye ló. When you're dealing with white people, 10 years is so nǹkan. Fún èmi gan láti sọ pé kan stop, it's going to be difficult. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Please let us stop this. I am not doing this as Toyin Abraham the actress.